Hello everyone, welcome to Malkeet Singh Academy. This is your host Jaskira Singh. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you that how to send a message on WhatsApp without saving the number. So this is the easiest method that I have find. So all you have to do is to install an application that is Truecaller. So by default I think most of the people already having a Truecaller because this is a very wonderful application. So install it, and if you haven't installed, you have to install it and you have to go through certain steps. So you have to allow all the settings for Truecaller, and because you have to do it and make it the default application. So it is very easy step, so you can easily do that. So once it's installed, so just click on it. So earlier what happens that whenever someone called you and says that send me message on WhatsApp, so you have to save that number. So for example, I want to send a text message to this number that I haven't saved. So I have to click here on the icon, you can see on the S here, and here you can see at the bottom I will find the message option on WhatsApp. So just click on it and it will directly open up my WhatsApp here, you can see. And similarly I can send WhatsApp message to anyone. So for example, this one here, if I click here, it will open up the same settings. So here you can see WhatsApp. So all I have to do is to click on WhatsApp and it will open up a WhatsApp here, and I don't need to save this number here. So this is the trick guys, so very easy, and you don't need to install or go through browser or anything. Just install Truecaller and click on the contact and it will open up your this WhatsApp without saving the number. So that is all guys, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon guys.